welcome to Yo-Yo Times. Rhea Chakravarti has opened up about all the allegations of her controlling Sushant, living on his money, her relationship with Mahesh Bhatt and more. Today the whole nation was waiting to see what Rhea Chakravarti has to say on Sushant Singh Rajput's death. While many people are declaring that she is responsible for SSR's death, the actress has finally broken her silence over the matter. Rhea Chakravarti has opened up about all the allegations of her controlling Sushant, living on his money, her relationship with Mahesh Bhatt and more. Many theories were circulating in the rumor market about Rhea's relationship with Mahesh Bhatt. In the much awaited interview with the actress, clarified her relationship with Mahesh Bhatt. She said, "Can't I take advice from anyone? I was broken. I was obviously upset that Sushant did not stop me from leaving. He did not call me back. I wondered if he wanted me to go because I was ill. Is it all over for him? So yes, I was upset. I reached out to Bhatt Saab, but that's only because I felt broken. He told me to think of my father. Bhatt Saab calls me child in the messages as well. His daughter is my age. That pure relationship has been misconstrued into something like this." Rhea Chakravarti revealed that Sushant Singh Rajput was not close to his father. The Jalebi actress revealed Sushant was not close to his father. His father left his mother at a young age, and as a kid that bothered him. "Because I met him, Sushant had not spoken to his father for 5 years. One of the biggest reasons for the Sushant's depression was that he was not able to live without his mother. She also struggled with mental illness." Rhea revealed that her brother Shauvik shared a great bond with Sushant Singh Rajput. She said, "Yes, Shauvik and Sushant shared a great bond. In fact, at times we used to joke that Shauvik hi mera sautan hai." Just before the trip, Sushant, Shauvik and I formed a company which was named as Realtix. It's quite obvious from this that Sushant probably liked me. That's why he related his dream project artificial intelligence company with my name. Rhea explained, "My brother joined us on the trip to Florence, Italy. That too after Sushant insisted." Shauvik had CAT exams. He was also in two minds about the trip because he was thinking about why I should go with my sister and her boyfriend. Rhea Chakravarti also opened about Sushant's mental health when his name popped up in Me Too movement. She said, "I will tell you something. Sanjana Sanghi has alleged that Sushant Singh Rajput harassed her and those Me Too allegations haunted him." Sanjana had not given any clarification. She finally came out 1.5 months later, but that destroyed Sushant's mental sanity. Till then, Sushant had to come out and reveal their chats himself. Rhea revealed that Sushant used to smoke the drugs since the time of Kedarnath. She said, "It is unfortunate that we have to speak about someone's vices when he is no more. Yes, he smoked drugs. He used to do it since before he met me. Even during the time of Kedarnath, he used to smoke. But he is that kind of man. I tried to stop him, but he would do what he liked. If he wanted to take medicines, he would. If he wanted to smoke, he would."